I decided to show you a little video of the product of the air compressor. That's a coupling right there. That will be attached to the motor that drives the air compressor. That's the hauler you've heard me talk about. Very sturdy machine there. Some of the nuts and bolts. These are diffusers. We'll get to those in a couple days. And there you can see all three stages of the plane bearings have been installed in the machine. That's the third stage up on top. First stage on the left, second stage on the right. There's my very cool toolbox. So anyway, now you know as much as you need to know for now. Peace out.